Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit, please visit our website at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. Our website is sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, very hard vehicle to find, 2016 Ford F-450 with just under 100,000 miles on it, guys. If you're looking for a work truck, you know that these heavy-duty trucks are extremely hard to find, especially when it comes into the used market. And usually when you find them, they are all beat up. This one's actually in pretty good shape considering the miles, and all in all, a really nice vehicle. As you notice in the front, it does have, the front bumper does have a little minor dent right there in the front. Nothing major. From what I can see, I don't notice any dents on the hood, no scratches. Tires seem to be in very good shape. As you can see there, this is the Power Stroke, so this is going to be your diesel, which is another plus and another reason that these are very hard to find. All in all, with this service body, it's 11-foot service body. This is a Redding service body too, which is one of the top of the line service bodies. Very minimal damage. You're going to notice your normal rock chips along the side from rocks being kicked up, but all in all, just in very good shape. And same with the bins, they're not all dented up. They do have scratches in them. Naturally, this guy did use it for a living. That's kind of what these trucks are for. But all in all the hinges seem to be working good. There is lighting in all these individual cabinets, as you can see. All in all, just a really nice vehicle. This vehicle does have a rear tow hitch on the back, and it also does come with a 7-pin and a 4-pin wiring hookup located right there. Same with the bed, it's not all dented up, it is scratched as you can see, but all in all in very good shape. Like I said, this is a Redding service body. This is the 11-foot service body, and the model on this service body is a Classic 2, which is one of their most popular 11-foot service bodies when it comes to Redding as a manufacturer. Vinyl seating throughout, as you can see. Inside seems to be in very good shape. Seating for up to 6 in this particular vehicle, 3 in the back, and then this center console here can fold up to make it the 6th person, so you can put 3 up front also. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, rubber floor, so you don't have to worry about that carpet down there. And as you can see, the driver's side's not all worn out and beat up. It does have one small crack right there, but all in all, very, very good shape. All your hand controls on your left are for everything for your instrument clusters located in here, and also your cruise controls located over here also. And you can also adjust all your radio stations over here on the right hand side. And like I said, guys, this does have under 100,000 miles, 93,000 miles to be exact, as you can see there. AM, FM, it also does have a CD player built into that radio, as you can see. All your climate controls, everything seems to be working in here. Up to 4 auxiliary switches right here. Factory trailer brake control. Your 4-wheel drive systems all turned on, which makes it really nice. Passenger seats just like the driver's seat, if not even in better shape. All in all, just a very nice vehicle. Back seems to be in very good shape. Looks like it was hardly ever used. Back of the seats aren't wore out from the driver and passenger for the front. Same with the floor. So if you're looking for a really nice work truck, especially utility body, and if you've been looking, you know they're hard to find, especially when it comes to that diesel 4-wheel drive segment in these utility vehicles. This may be the right truck for you. It's a 2016 Ford F-450 4-wheel drive crew cab, 11-foot Redding service body. That's the Classic 2 service body on it. Tires are in good shape. All in all, really nice vehicle. Drives down the road great. Everything seems to be working inside from what I can see. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. And if you want to see all the still pictures of this and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. The guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned service vehicle, just like this one here today. Make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.